She had been so many things to so many people that she forgot she was allowed to be something to herself. I wrote that line because I lived it. There was a version of me that answered to every name someone gave her: difficult, too sensitive, too black, the one who needed too much, the one who was never quite right. And the terrifying thing about carrying names that were never yours is eventually you stop questioning them. You just become them. Love My Colors is the story of unbecoming everything you were told you were so you can finally find out who you actually are. That journey is not pretty, it is not linear, but it's the most important work any of us would ever do. If that line hits something in you, the book is linked in my bio. It was written for exactly the woman who felt it.